Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Wagi ang Orlando Magic kontra sa Brooklyn Nets 116-101. Top performer si Franz Wagner sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 steal. Cam Thomas 24 points, 6 rebounds at 3 assists. Wagi din ang Toronto Raptors kontra sa Philadelphia 76ers 115-107. Top performer si Scottie Barnes sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Kelly Oubre 28 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists at 2 steals. Dinaig naman ng Atlanta Hawks ang Charlotte Hornets 125-120. Top performer si Trae Young sa likod ng kanyang 38 points, 8 rebounds, 10 assists at 4 steals. LaMelo Ball 34 points, 5 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal, 1 block. Panalo naman ang Cleveland Cavaliers kontra sa Detroit Pistons 113-101. Top performer si Dane Wade sa likod ng kanyang 19 points, 5 rebounds, 1 assist at 2 steals. Cade Cunningham 33 points, 4 rebounds at 6 assists. Tinambakan naman ng New York Knicks ang Indiana Pacers 123-98. Top performer si Jalen Brunson sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 5 rebounds at 5 assists. Benedict Mathurin 20 points, 2 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng Houston Rockets ang Memphis Grizzlies 128-108. Top performer si Jalen Green sa likod ng kanyang 22 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Ja Morant 24 points at 2 assists. Pinadapa naman ng Chicago Bulls ang Milwaukee Bucks 133-122. Top performer si Kobe White sa likod ng kanyang 35 points, 6 rebounds, 5 assists at 4 steals. Giannis Antetokounmpo 38 points, 11 rebounds at 5 assists. Tinambakan naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Utah Jazz 127-86. Top performer si Stephen Curry sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists at 2 steals. John Collins 14 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Los Angeles Lakers kontra sa Phoenix Suns 123-116. Top performer si Anthony Davis sa likod ng kanyang 35 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Kevin Durant 30 points, 4 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 block. Dinaig naman ng New Orleans Pelicans ang Portland Trail Blazers 105-103. Top performer si Jordan Hawkins sa likod ng kanyang 24 points at 5 rebounds. Jeremy Grant 34 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of October 26, 2024. Boston Celtics 2-0 loss. Cleveland Cavaliers 2-0 loss. Atlanta Hawks 2-0 loss. Orlando Magic 2-0 loss. Chicago Bulls 1-1 loss. New York Knicks 1-1 loss. Milwaukee Bucks 1-1 loss. Indiana Pacers 1-1 loss. Toronto Raptors 1-1 loss. Charlotte Hornets 1-1 loss. Miami Heat 0-1 loss. Washington Wizards 0-1 loss. Detroit Pistons 0-2 losses. Brooklyn Nets 0-2 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 0-2 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of October 26, 2024. Los Angeles Lakers 2-0 loss. New Orleans Pelicans 2-0 loss. Golden State Warriors 2-0 loss. Oklahoma City 1-0 loss. Dallas Mavericks 1-0 loss. Houston Rockets 1-1 loss. Phoenix Suns 1-1 loss. Minnesota Timberwolves 1-1 loss. Memphis Grizzlies 1-1 loss. Sacramento Kings 0-1 loss. Los Angeles Clippers 0-1 loss. San Antonio Spurs 0-1 loss. Denver Nuggets 0-1 loss. Portland Trail Blazers 0-2 losses. Utah Jazz 0-2 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong October 27, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Los Angeles Clippers at Denver Nuggets alas 5 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Miami Heat at Charlotte Hornets alas 7 ng umaga. Magsasalpukan naman ng Boston Celtics at Detroit Pistons alas 7 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ng Cleveland Cavaliers at Washington Wizards alas 7 ng umaga. Maghaharap din ang Oklahoma City at Chicago Bulls alas 8 ng umaga. Magtutuos naman ang Orlando Magic at Memphis Grizzlies alas 8 ng umaga. Magtutuos din ang Toronto Raptors at Minnesota Timberwolves alas 8 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Houston Rockets at San Antonio Spurs alas 8:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Dallas Mavericks at Phoenix Suns alas 10 ng umaga. Magharap naman ang Sacramento Kings at Los Angeles Lakers alas 10:30 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.